There are simple tools out there that just plain make the job easier. I'm thinking about bottle openers, can openers, and even snap ring pliers. Now we can get the job done without those specialty tools, but it just takes a lot of extra effort. Prismatic Vise V jaws are one of these prized simple tools that I really appreciate. If you know, you know. We primarily use these specialty jaws to hold round stock for mill work. Now we could cut custom soft jaws each and every time we came across a new diameter part, but that can become a real speed bump, killing momentum on a job. These jaws are versatile, able to hold a wide range of stock diameters. Now, as an example, if we needed to hold this slug of aluminum in a collet chuck on our lathe, but it was just too big for our biggest collet, we could hold it in these V jaws. We could mill a shoulder on the stock, allowing us to hold it for that quick job on the lathe. And that can be done without any custom tooling, just using our prismatic jaws. Every job shop, every tool room should have a set on hand. If we were doing a 5-axis part that required a dovetail fixture, we could cut, again, custom jaws, but why? When you can just load the stock up into a V jaw, cut in that detail, and get up and going quickly. With these jaws, we can easily hold bar stock horizontally for milling it to length, or for cross drilling holes. And with multiple V notches, we can hold more than one part at a time. Put these jaws in a vise, mount it on its side, and we can hold bars vertically, again, without the need for any custom tooling. Every now and then, we come across a product that makes good on its promise to make our jobs easier. This is one of those products. Enjoy the little things.